Alright, good morning everyone. This is our third game. Tayo dadako na sa ating 11 under division between Sista and a Charm Pet Food. Let's go. Rodriguez, starting lineup. Starting 5, ayan na. No good. Rebound, mapupunta sa Sista. Floaters, no good. Rebound. Villavert nagmamadali. Villavert all the way. Basket is good. Ayan na, number 8, no good. Rebound. There's a double dribble. Number 0, top of the key, 3-point. Para sa Sista, change favor, Villavert. Umatake. Swak na swak yan para kay Villavert. Ayan na, floater, no good. Rebound by Naval. Naval, nagmamadali. Naval atake, using the glass. Wala, rebound by number 30. Ayan na ang Sista. Pass to Rodriguez. So, side step. Oh, no good. Rebound. Mapapunta sa Charm Pet Food. Naval, pass to Lee. Block by Zeus. Oopsie. Warning for Woodport defense ang Charm Pet Food for Woodport rest. Ayan na ang Sista. Pass to Zeus. Zeus umatake. First basket para kay Zeus dito. Zeus Rodriguez. 5-4. Change favor tayo. Villavert. Crossover. Pumunta sa kaliwa. Villavert umatake. No good. Rebound ng Sista. Ayan na ang Sista. Crossover. Pass to Zeus. Zeus sumalaksa again. Back-to-back basket by Zeus Rodriguez. And shoutout ulit kay Sir Alfonso Rodriguez. And sa kanyang daddy, Villavert. Gustong makabawi. No good. Out of bounds. Last touch. Bola rito ng Sista. Time remaining 1 minute and 58 seconds. Ayan na ang Sista. Number 8, floater, no good. Rebound by Naval. Naval. So malaksak. And basket yan by Naval. Mabasa isang lamang ng Sista. Number 8. Pass to number 30. Pass to number 8. Number 8 pupunta sa kaliwa. Binigay. Number 25. Number 25. Sumalaksak. Uy, in and out. Rebound by Naval. Naval nagmamadali. Ayan na si Naval. Naval fake. Naval shot. No good. Rebound by Zeus. Zeus, pinababa ang bola. Zeus. Uy. There's a left lane violation. Last 55 seconds. Villavert. May tangan ng bola. Villabert, tumira, wala. Rebound, number 77 and 1 by Scott Tomlin. Change favor, lamang na dito ang Charm Pet Food. Time remaining, last 48 seconds. Tomlin. For a bonus shot, no good. Rebound by number 30. Pass to number 8. Number 8, running shot, no good. Rebound, no good. Rebound para sa Charm Pet Food. Villabert, cross. Villabert, shot, and there's a foul. Malapit na tayo sa dulo, kaya sigurong mapupunta sa finals with a top 2 seed. Time remaining 16.7 seconds remaining sa ating first 5. Villabert, second shot. Fair ball. 16.7 seconds. Sista basketball. Ayan na. Number 0. Pass to Sia. Sia, top of the key, 4-3. Oh! That is a buzzer beater by Sia. Okay. End of the first. Third. Mandatory substitution eh. 10-8 tayo. Second 5 naman. Or second unit ng both teams. Kaya na. Navarro. Oh, sorry, that is Navora rather. Oopsie, steal. Out of bounds. Sista basketball. Oopsie, bad pass. Martin Mirasol. Pass to Martin. Tumira sa 3. No good. Rebound by Paulo.
Hands up!
Ko.
Hands up! Goody!
Backdoor pass. Number 34. Pass to Mirasol. Back to Kasi. 24-second shot clock violation. Bola rito ng Sista. Navora all the way.
Hands up everyone! Hands up!
Mirasol, may tangan ng bola. Steal by Navora. Navora nagmamadali. Navora sumalaksak. No good. Rebound by Tyler. Paulo, outlet pass. Binigay, number 10. Swak na swak. By jersey number 30. Navora, no good. Rebound by Tyler. Ayun na, si Tyler nagmamadali. Tyler, steal.
On one!
Navora, basket is good. Back-to-back basket para kay Nabora. Martin, pinasa corner, jump shot. Ooh, there's a foul. Foul number 2. 34. Shooting the line by Dia. Second shot para kay D. Swak na swak yan para kay D. 14-11.
Godric! Godric!
Number 18, no good. Rebound, makukuha ni Paolo. Outlet pass to Cassidy. D, nagay sa corner. D to Paolo. Kick out. Oopsie, 3 seconds violation. Bola rito, ayan ang sista.
Drake, one more time, Drake.
Ayan na, running shot, no good. Out of bounds.
Paolo, get your man!
Nasa corner. Ooh. Mark over, Navarro, no good. Oh, sorry, that's Nabora. Di may taka ng bola. Pass to Cassie. Pass to Martin. Top of the key, 4-3, no good. Rebound by Nabora. Nabora, nagmamadali. Nabora, uy, block there by Mirasol, and there's a foul. Number 3, Paolo Co.
His first team foul is target 2.
Shooting the line, jersey number 6. Nabora. Marquez. Second shot is good. 2 for 2 para kay Marquez Nabora. Martin Mirasol. Mirasol using the glass basket. Ayan na, Nabora running shot, no good. Rebound. Oopsie, block by Martin. Mirasol, nagmamadali. Pinas sa corner, tumira, no good. Rebound. Ayan na, ang sista. Steal. Oh, there's a foul. That's a blocking foul. Last 2.2 seconds. Paolo Co on the free throw area. Paolo is good. Baba sa dalawang lamang ng sista. No good. Rebound. Oopsie. End of the first quarter. Official score 16-14 in favor of the Sista. Okay, tayo na na sa ating second quarter. First 5. And a shoutout sa inyong lahat ng nanonood ng ating live. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Happy blessed Sunday. Ayan.
Second, Warden.
Okay, second quarter tayo. Villabert. Sumalaksak. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha. Oh, no good. Tomlin, pass to Villabert. Short. Rebound ng Sista. Ayan na, number 42. And that's a traveling violation.
Zeus, step faster. You need to step faster.
Villabert, may tanga ng bola. Pass to number 17. No good. And out of bounds. Same ball. 16-second shot clock to shoot. Villabert. Crossover, nabitawan. Number 77, side step. Uy, no good. Rebound by Zeus. Ayun na si Zeus. Zeus, nagmamadali. Pinasa, number 8. Floater basket by Seiya. Villabert, may taka ng bola. Villabert. Oh, and one by Villabert, their jersey number 7.
Box out! Box out!
18-16, down by 2. No good. Rebound. Makakuha ni Villabert. Tumira, wala.
Roland, you need to help them, Roland!
Villabert, side step. Uy, nakalusot. Si Villabert doon. Siya, nakasagot. Villabert, binigay sa corner, naipit. Number 11, Lee, no good. Rebound, nagagawan, makukuha. Number 11, wala pa rin. Offensive rebound by Lee, and there's a foul.
Number 10, Zeus Rodriguez, his third personal. Second team foul for Sista.
Shooting the line, jersey number 11, Lee.
Hindi ko naman pwede palitan eh. Hindi ko naman pwede palitan, di ba? Sabihan lang.
Basket is good. Tabla tayo. 2 for 2 there. May na. Uy, block. Number 13, pass to number 34. Siya. Pass to Zeus. Zeus, 4-3. Uy, no good. Rebound. Bailey. Pass to Villabert. Villabert, atake. Steal. By Scott. So, parang extra pass. Siya, no good. Rebound.
Warning Sista for a full court press.
Warning, Sista for full court defense. Villabert, binigay sa corner, out of bounds. Sia, pass to Zeus. Binigay sa loob. Oopsie. Out of bounds. Bola ng Charm Pet Food. Villabert with the cross. Villabert, stop and bomb. No good. Rebound by Zeus. Rodriguez. Pass to Sia. Basket is good. Villabert with the cross. Villabert sumalaksak. Uy! By Nash Villabert. Ay na si Sia. Oh, there's a foul. Number 7. Blocking foul.
Boys, last shot. Last shot.
Last 12 seconds remaining.
Oras.
Sia jump shot. Swak na swak na. Last 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 17. Oh! And the mandatory substitution. 24-22. Natagalan. Excited out na. Second 5. That's a jump ball. Bola rito ng Charm Pet Food. Paolo. Backdoor pass. Oy, what the pass? By D. Open, man. Oh, steal by Cassidy. Oopsie. Lifting violation.
Marquis, ikaw na, Marquis. Ikaw na.
Bola rito ng Sista. Marquis Navora. Navora sumalaksak. No good. Rebound. Number 18. That's a traveling violation.
Boys, get your man. Get your man. Get your man. Get your man. Patrick.
Floater, no good. Rebound by Paolo. Oopsie. Out of bounds. 14-second shot clock to shoot. Pass to Cassidy. Steal. Ang Sista. Oopsie. That's a traveling.
Hey, get your man. Man. Man.
Mirasol, binigay. Paolo. And there's a foul.
Number 30, Robert Sevilla, his second. 3 foul assistant. Picking up the line for Paulo Cole.
Paolo ko on the free throw area. First shot, no good.
Tago.
Second shot, no good. Rebound by Tyler. Tumira, wala. Makuha ni Marquez. Nabora with a cross. Nabora, nabitawan. Steal by Mirasol. Mirasol, nagmamadali. Mirasol. Pass to Tyler. Uy. There's a foul.
Ours.
Foul dito si Tyler.
Tyler Paul, his first.
Marquez Nabora. May tahan na bola. Marquez. Sumalaksak. Reverse layup. No good. Number 30. Blocked by Mirasol. Makuha ni Nabora. Sumalaksak. And there's a foul.
All on the 17, Cassidy Mador, her first. 14 foul for Chocolate Crew.
Marquez Nabora on the free throw area. First shot is good. Balik ang Kalamangan sa sista.
On the way.
Second shot, 2 for 2. Para kay Marquez.
Get your man. Man. Other side, Matthew.
Mirasol setting on the play.
And
Mirasol sumalaksak. Ooh. That's a traveling violation. Nabora sumalaksak. Too strong rebound. Makukuha ng sista. Too strong rebound. Number 30, 18. Number 25. That's a 24-second shot clock violation. Good defense there para sa Charm Petwood.
get your man.
Last 50 seconds. Martin tumira, no good. Rebound by Cassie with a shot. Basket yan. Para kay Cassie, di ba doon? Marquez atake. Ooh, there's a foul.
99.
Number 99.
All number 10, Tyler Paul, his second.
Shooting the line, choosing number 6, Marquez Nabora. Swak na swak. Second shot para kay Marquez. 2 for 2. 28-26. Pass to Paolo. Ko to Cassidy, no good. Rebound by Navarro. Oh, sorry. Nabora. All the way. Basket. 4-point lead para sa Sista.
Hands up lang.
26. Last 2 seconds. 2 and 1. And at the first official score, 30-26 in favor of the Sista.
Most of our fouls came from late.
Okay, tayo dadako na sa ating halftime shootout. Madagdagdagan pa kaya ang kanilang puntos. But for now, our official score is 26 and 30. Magbabalik tayo para sa second half. Ilan kaya madadagdagan sa kanila? Malalaman natin yan maya lamang po.
Kasi we can guard them naman except for Nashville Divert. It's too fast for everyone else. So guarding Nashville Divert.
Okay.
Forcing guard his right hand. Kasi lagi siya side step to the right after you guard the right hand.
Mauunang tumira ang Charm Pet Food.
He will not shoot outside.
Okay, tayo naman dadako para sa sista. Okay. Ito na po ang ating official score. Malaman natin kung ilan ang tatag. Okay. No ball, no good. Rebound ng sista. Number 18 with a strong drive. Oh, no good. Rebound by Naval. Ayun na. Naval up and under. No good. Rebound by number 21. Ayun na, si number 24. Crossover, stop and pop, no good. Rebound by Naval. Naval. Binigay. Lee with a shot, no good. Rebound by Lee. Still there. Makuha ng sista. Sia floater. Basket yan. By nagmamadali. Official score po natin, 38 na po tayo. Dahil naka-anim na shoot sa free throw. Ayan na, Villaverde all the way. Basket. Pabasa 10 ang kalamangan ng Sista. Number 18. Uy, no good. Rebound by Villaverde. Villaverde, binigay. Oh, what a nice shot there. Down by 8. Sia. Top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound by number 24. Fake. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Steal by Robert. Fade away shot. Short. Rebound by number 77. Pass to Villaverde. Tuli. Basket. Baba sa 6 ang kalamangan ng Sista. 38-32. Sia with the cross. Sia atake. Wow! Nakalusot na naman si Sia. 40-32 ang ating talaan. Villaverde binigay sa loob. Oh, what a move by Naval. Whoopsie. Kickball. Villaverde. Oopsie, no good. Wala. Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound by Naval. With a strong move. Mabasa 4 ang lamang ng Sista. Sia binigay. Tumira sa 3. Short. Rebound by Sia. Sia running shot using the glass basket yan. 36-42. Grabe yung batang ito. Ayan na, Villaverde running shot, no good. Naval. Oh, sorry, that is Lee. Sia once again.
Open!
Jump shot, no good. Rebound by Villaverde. Villaverde nagmamadali. Villaverde, and there's a foul.
Our honors will Ohio State on his first team foul for Sista.
Shooting the line, jersey number 7. Nash Villaverde. First shot is good. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Lee, no good. Rebound, makukuha ng Sista. Sista, last 8 seconds. 7, 6. Sia tumira short. End of the first. One seconds remaining. Oopsie. End of the mandatory substitution. Tayo na daw na sa ating second 5 ng third quarter. 42. Nabora, binigay sa corner. Zeus, jump shot, in and out, rebound. Number 32. Fade away shot, short. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Charm Pet Food. Tyler. Pass to Mirasol. Martin. Tumira sa tres. No good. Madon. No good. Rebound. D. To Mirasol. Fake. Mirasol. Kick out to D. Pass to Paolo from elbow 3. No good. Rebound by Marquez. Nabora. Nagmamadali. Binigay. Zeus. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Nabora. Using the glass basket. Bola rito ng Charm Pet Food. Mirasol. Oh, no good. Rebound ng Sista. Ayun na. Go. Oopsie. Steal by Martin. Mirasol nagmamadali. Mirasol top of the key for 3. Ooh, 2 points lang daw. Medic. Mandatory substitution. Official scores 46. Oopsie. Correction. 41-44. Nabora, no good. Rebound, makuha ni Cassidy. Badon, outlet pass. D. Tumira, no good. Rebound by Marquez. Nabora. Oopsie. Nabora, sidestep. No good. Rebound by Marquez. Pass to Zeus. Pull up J. No good. Rebound by Paolo. Oopsie. That's a traveling timeout. Timeout, Sista. That's a traveling violation. Tingnan natin ang handle. Coach ng Sista. Back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Bola ng Sista.
Shot clock, 12 seconds.
Basket is good by Zeus Rodriguez. 46-41. Mirasol behind the back. Step back three. Oh, yes! Para sa tres by Martin Mirasol. Marquez to Zeus. Back to Marquez. Marquez sidestep. Tumira. In and out. Rebound by Marquez. But there's a foul.
All number 3, Paulo Co, his second.
Foul dito si Paulo Co. Their second.
Check zone na. Naka-zone sila.
Second shot para kay Marquez Nabora. Marquez basket sa kanyang second shot. 47-44. Mirasol. May rangan na bola. Mirasol gets the three. Short. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Sista. Zeus Rodriguez sumalaksak using the glass. Basket is good by Zeus Rodriguez. 49-44. Baba sa lima. Ooh. Out of bounds. That's such. Bola rito ng Charm Petwood.
17 seconds to shoot.
Tyler getting for an rebound. Pass to Mirasol. Mirasol, binigay sa loob. Paolo. There's a foul.
Foul on number 34, St. Charles Minnesota. His first whistle. Second game foul for Sista.
Paolo ko on the free throw area.
Paulo Co.
First shot para kay Paolo. Basket. Second shot. Paolo ko. No good. Rebound. Makukuha ni Nabora. Marquez. Pass to Zeus. Fake. Cross. Spin. Oy, no good. Rebound. Last touch. Bola rito ng Sista. 15 second shot clock to shoot. Zeus Rodriguez. Fake. Oh, that's a traveling violation. Last 33 seconds tayo. 30 seconds. Pinasa loob. Tyler, too strong. Last 20 seconds. Matthew. Go. Sidestep. Naipit. And that's a traveling violation. Last 14 seconds remaining.
Time remaining, 14 seconds.
14 seconds left. Mirasol. Ligay sa corner. Fake. Paolo. Uy, no good. Rebound. Ay na ang Sista. Nagmamadali. 2, 1. And there you have it. End of the third quarter.
The third quarter, score 49 for Sista, 45 for Charm Petwood.
End of the third quarter. Official score 49-45. 4-point lead para sa Sista. Okay, tied ako na sa ating fourth and final quarter. Shoutout po sa inyo lahat ang nanonood ng ating live. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat and happy blessed Sunday sa bawat isa. Tingnan naman natin ang huddle dito ni Coach Blue. Okay, back to the ball game. Fourth quarter tayo. Villaverde had an extra pass. Nabitawan nga lang yun ng bola. Sia. Uy. good. Steal. Nabora with a strong drive. 51-45. Villabert, may tanga na bola. Villabert binigay, number 77. Sumalaksak, using the board. Basket. Para kay Tomlin. Ay na si Sia. Cairo. Oopsie. Steal by Villabert. Villabert sidestep using the board. No good. Naval with the putback. No good. Rebound by Marcus. Nabora nagmamadali. Nabora all the way. Good defense dito para kay Lee. Pass to Naval. Naval. Oopsie. And there's a foul. Oops, sorry. Correction. That's a traveling violation. Bola rito ng Sista. Ayun na, number 0, Sia, and that's a lifting violation.
Hey, down defense, down defense. Wala, Gaston, wala. Wala.
Villabert blocked by Marcus. Ayun na, i-double team. Lee. Sorry, that's Naval, and there's some traveling violation. Number 0. Hand off to Marquez. Oy! Still by Villabert, but there's a foul. Number 6, that's Marquez Navarro. Villabert. Oopsie. Sia, may tanga ng bola. Sia. Setting on the screen, hand off. Pass number 24. Cross. Pass to Sia, top of the key, 4-3. Oopsie, no good. Rebound. Makukuha ni Nash. Villabert, may, oh! That's a,
dribbling violation.
it's a dribbling violation.
Open!
Sia all the way! Nakalusot si Sia.
Helpers, go down, Sebastian, go down!
Villabert to Tomlin all the way. Baba sa 4 ang alamangan ng Sista. Sia. Oy, nakalusot si Sia. Oh, steal. Bad pass para sa Charm. Ayun na. Marquez, what an extra pass. Oy! Binigay, Sia. Oopsie. There's a foul. Number 77. That's Tomlin.
Foul number 11, Ryan B. His first personal first team foul for Contact Crew. Two free throws for Kyle Sia.
Sia on the free throw area. No good. Second shot para kay Sia. Swak na swak yun. Ayan na, Villabert. May tanga na bola. Villabert and there's a foul. Sub ya.
Blocking foul number 13, Alonso Alapay. His first personal foul. Second team foul for System.
Mandatory substitution. 5 minutes.
Substitution.
Free throw yung isa. Free throw isa. Apat lang.
On the free. Up, sobra. Sobra. Nash Villabert on the free throw area. No good. Second shot. Villabert. Basket is good. Substitution. 50-56. Down by 6. Ang Sista. Time remaining 5 minutes and 8 seconds. Bola rito ng Sista. Nabora. Oy, nakalusot si Nabora. Balik sa 8 ang kalamangan ng Sista. Martin Mirasol, pass to Badon. Cassidy, tumira, too strong, rebound ng Sista. Seiya. Pass to Marquez. Marquez, sumalaksak. No good. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Zeus, too strong. Rebound by Marquez. No good. Offensive rebound, but there's a foul.
Number 8. Marco Mayotica. His first personal, second team foul for Charmcat Crew. Two free throws for Marcus Nabora.
Marquez Nabora on the free throw area. First shot is good. 59-50. Second shot para kay Marquez. No good. Rebound. Out of bounds. So Marquez just in the glass basket. Tyler, pass to Martin. Mirasol. Ay, sa foul.
Blocking foul number 18. Ray Colorado. His first. Third team foul for System.
Bola rito ng Charm Petwood. Badon, Cassie. Tumira, basket is good by Cassidy. Badon. Seiya, sumalaksak, tumira, short. Rebound, makukuha ni Tyler. Pass to Martin. Mirasol, nagmamadali. Mirasol, tumira, and there's a foul.
Foul number 10. Sus Rodriguez. His fourth personal.
Sus Rodriguez, that is fourth. Erasol on the free throw area. First shot is good. No good. Second shot is good by... Ay nakabola ng Sista. Sia. Pass to number 25. Kick out. Zeus with a catch and shoot. No good. Rebound by Marquez. Kick out para sa corner. No good. Rebound. Uy, what a putback. Kaya jersey number 18. Mirasol with the fake. And there's
Warning pala. Wala pa warning sa zone kanina. Wala pa. Boy! Man.
Warning assist for zone defense.
warning system for zone defense. Villaverde sumalaksak, basket. Ayan na, humahabol na ang Charm Pet Food, number 18. And out of bounds. Paulo Ko coming in. Time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Villaverde, may tangan na bola. Villaverde, kick out. Uy! That's a traveling violation. Bola rito ng Sista. Outlet pass. Rodriguez. Tumira, and there's a foul. And 1. Oh, 3 seconds violation. Correction. Ayan na, Villaverde and 1. Grabe, Villaverde gustong mabol.
18 player. Jake Alucard. The second personal.
Oh, wait. Sige, sub. Sit down. Sub.
Ganyan man. Stop. Go.
Substitution.
Okay, 3-point play para kay Nash Villaverde, 58-63. Lumabas na. Ay, wait lang. Lumabas na ba? Okay, good. Ayan na, Sia. Pass to Marquez. And there's a blocking foul. Number 7, blocking foul.
Number 7.
Ours!
Nash Villaverde at the second
Ours!
personal. 13 foul.
Thank you!
Pumapol dito ang Charm Pet Food. 5-point lead. Let's go. Mahaba-haba pa ito. 1 minute and 20. Out of bounds. Dagger 3. Last 47 seconds. Get the shot. Goal! Nakasagot. Oopsie. That's a jump ball. Bola mapupunta sa Sista. Out of bounds. Charm Petfoot basketball.
About 20 seconds.
Seiya, cross. Seiya nagmamadali, running shot. Uy! Ale, Seiya. Balik sa walong alamangan ng Sista. Villaverde, Mirasol. Sumalaksak, no good. Rebound. Makuha ni Marquez. Last 8 seconds. Last 7.9 seconds.
Last in the third, first whistle. 14 down for contact group.
Uy, no good. Ayan na. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban.
And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Our final score, 68-60.
What a nice game from both teams. Our final score is 68-60. Panalo po ang Sista. At tingnan natin ang team standing natin as of now. Sista with a 4-1 record at ang Charm Pet Food naman ay pupunta sa 2-3. Ay, sorry.
Kala ko si Joey. Ano si Joey? Ano na?
Alright, magbabalik tayo para sa akin sa ating last game, Scavolini versus the Acro City.